Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.4% against the yen. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.2% during the session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the oil drop 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
China's exports unexpectedly rose in March as demand from most Asian countries and Europe improved, and the nation's factories resumed production, boosting the economy's outlook and indicating global growth may be better than expected. Ether broke the key $2,000 level after Ethereum completed the Shanghai upgrade, allowing the network to process staking withdrawals. The dollar fell to a 2-month low against a basket of currencies and a 1-year low against the euro after US producer prices unexpectedly fell in March, boosting expectations that the Federal Reserve is near the end of its rate hiking cycle.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's gross domestic product at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.